sometimes we need to draw some line very straight with 90-degree angle or 100% horizontal and vertical. So what we can do that? I mean, how we can do that? So we have to click here. Here, this name is Ortho Mode. Ortho Mode. So if you click here for Ortho Mode, just see if we click here. Okay, forget it. Just simply click here, and when you click, they have no blot sign. That means when it's off. Just see, it's saying us restrict cursor orthogonally off. So if I click here on line, and if I want to create line in any direction, it's possible when our ortho mode is off. But now just see, I am able to rotate, or I'm able to use that cursor any direction. But if I click here, and if I just go here, just see, even my cursor are here, but see, it's creating line here like that. Just see, and it will give you a perfect rectangular sign. Again, if I create line, and if I want to go in that direction, it will give you 100% vertical and horizontal line. But when we are working, and if we need to change that, simply click here and just see, it's being changed. And again, if you click here, just see, anywhere you want to click, you can do it anywhere. So if you click here, if you click here, and anywhere you click, actually it will give you a straight line. But by using shortcut method, you can do it. Simply press F8 of your keyboard, F8 and G. Just see, it's off. Just see here, ortho mode off. Now I can create line in any direction. Again, press F8, just see, ortho on. And now you're not able to create line in any direction except horizontal and vertical direction. That's it. See, that's it. Clear? Now, what we have to do actually? We have to do our next work. Next work is actually in this way we are able to use our ortho mode. So thank you very much.